Compact method of multiplication. An example of this method can be found on page 124 of your child's planner. The step before the compact method of multiplication is the expanded method. This method has been explained in a previous video, which is also available on our website. Your child does not need to be able to do both methods at the same time. However, the expanded method is an important stepping stone towards understanding the compact method. When completing a formal method of multiplication, times table knowledge is crucial. However, if your child is still struggling with times table recall, it can be helpful for them to use their times tables in front of them so they can focus on their knowledge of the method rather than their recall. The times tables are all presented on page 125 of your child's planner. Let's look at the method. As before, it is important that the numbers line up equally, so the ones are above the ones, the tens above the tens, and so forth. Let's look at the first example, 36 multiplied by 7. We'll begin with 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. So here, 2 goes in the ones column, and the 4 is regrouped underneath the tens column, making 42. The next step is 7 multiplied by 3. 7 times 3 is 21. However, we still have 4 more tens to add on to our previous answer. These 4 tens need to be added onto the 21, making 25. It is important to cross through the answer when you have used it. The answer is 252. Let's look at the next example. 45 multiplied by 26. First of all, we are going to take the 6 and multiply the 45 by the 6. So, 6 times 5 is 30. So the 0 goes in the ones column and the 3 is carried just below the tens column. Now we will do 6 times 4, which is 24. However, we still have 3 more to add on, making the answer 27, crossing through the 3 we have used. Now we are going to look at the tens. 20 multiplied by 45. So 2 times 5 is 10. However, this is not 2 times 5, it's 20 times 5. In this example, it is important for the children to add in a placeholder 0, so that every answer in this column is made 10 times bigger. So 2 times 5 is 10. Carrying the 1 into the next column. It's good to point out here for your child that actually we are doing 20 times 5, which we know to be 100. Therefore, we can check our answer in red and check that it is correct, which it is. Now we need to do 2 times 4, which is 8. However, we still have 1 to add on, which makes it 9. The final step is adding the answers together. 0 add 0 is 0, 7 add 0 is 7, and 2 add 9 is 11. The answer is 1170.